how to delete a Facebook page permanently. If you have made a Facebook page using your Facebook account, I'm going to show you how to delete it. So before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get more informative content like this. Alright, so first open your Facebook and go to your profile. Once you're on your menu, you can directly go to your page from here, or you can switch to your page account. So if you don't see this option, that might be because your Facebook is not up to date, so make sure to update it. And you can even switch from here, so if you have other accounts, it will show up here and you can just go to your test page. This is the page right here, so I want to go to the menu in order to delete. So once I have logged into my page from here, I can go to settings, and if you scroll down under your information, you can see access and control. Tap on it, and here you'll see an option for deactivation and deletion. So if you want to temporarily deactivate your page, you can choose the first option, or if you want to permanently delete your page, choose the delete. So I just want to delete my page. From here, I can just tap on continue. If you have any of the files that are important to you posted to your page, you can download your information before you delete. So you can do all of these options, or even transfer your information. I don't want to do any of this, so I'm just going to continue. And from here, it will ask you for your password for verification. Once you enter your password of your profile, tap on continue and tap on continue once again, and simply tap on delete page. So as you can see, my page now has been deleted. There is no option to switch to the page. You can switch to your page for sometimes, maybe 7 days before it is completely deleted. So if you log back in within that time period, your page won't be permanently deleted. So that's how you can recover it as well. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.